Good evening to you, and thanks for joining us for 41 NBC News at 6. I'm Shelby Coates.
And I'm Tucker Sargent. Our top story tonight at 6, Labor Day weekend marks the end of summer, and health experts say they expect a surge in COVID cases in the coming weeks due to the holiday.
41 NBC's Ariel Schiller spoke with doctors at 2 Middle Georgia hospitals about what they're seeing and how to protect yourself and others.
We usually see a surge in COVID cases and hospitalizations after holiday weekends. With Labor Day behind us, Dr. Jennifer Hoffman, an infectious disease physician with Piedmont-Macon, says they are currently at capacity and says it could be 2 to 3 weeks before they see the full effect of Labor Day. She shares her recommendation if you think you might have been exposed to COVID.
The ideal recommendation would be to quarantine at home for at least 7 days and get a test on day 5 or later to see, if you contract COVID.
According to Houston Healthcare Chief Medical Officer Dr. Dan Stewart, the health system currently has 134 COVID-positive patients, with 90% of them being unvaccinated. He says many of the deaths in this recent surge are between the ages of 30 and 60 years old, with a COVID-positive test and meet one of the required risk factors.
And it's something that patients can do that will help keep them out of the hospital and keep them from going to the emergency room. So as soon as they get sick, don't wait. Just come on in if you meet one of those risk factors.
Piedmont-Macon has 99 COVID patients right now. 95% of them are unvaccinated. Dr. Hoffman says this surge is the worst yet, and the numbers are meeting and or surpassing their numbers in January, before the vaccine was widely available. She says they're pleading with people 12 and older to get the vaccine.
Please go protect yourself. I can't tell you how many young to middle-aged people in their 30s and 40s we have in the ICU right now who are intubated who didn't think that they were personally at risk, and unfortunately they were wrong. A lot of those people are not going to make it.
In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
Now, according to the Georgia Department of Public Health, 44% of Georgians are fully vaccinated. You can go to vaccines.gov to find a vaccination location near you.
Also, monoclonal-antibody treatments are available for COVID-positive patients at Atrium-Health-Navicent with a doctor's order.